Do you feel stuck in the daily grind? Are you ready to transform your life in just 7 days? Imagine waking up each morning with a renewed sense of purpose, confidence, and clarity. Hi! I'm Dr. Shalini Mehta, and I have been empowering people just like you to elevate their mindset for the bigger, happier, freer life. Welcome to the Mind Renewal Journey with our 7 days workshop, where powerful yet simple tools are at your fingertips. Our workshop is designed to fit into your busy life, with live video sessions on the first and last day, recordings, and flexible, engaging content delivered straight to your WhatsApp for the rest of the week. Each day, you'll receive empowering videos, audios, or worksheets that guide you through transformational exercises. From mindfulness techniques to visualization and strategies to overcome negativity and elevate your mindset, we've got you covered. In just 1 week, start to learn how to deal with stress and embrace a happier, healthier you.